children, and welcome to the English class. As you all know, today we are going to start a new poem, that is Ice Cream Dream. That is Ice Cream Dream, and the poet of the poem is Ron Mandrake. Ron Mandrake. The poet of the poem means the writer of the poem is Ron Mandrake. So my children, one by one I will read this poem and I will explain in front of you. So this poem is all about the ice cream, and I know you all love the ice cream. You all love to eat the ice cream. So just like the poet is dreaming that which ice cream the poet wants to eat, so same when you are reading this poem, when I am explaining you this poem, when you are going to understand this poem, just imagine that you love to eat the ice cream so that you will easily learn what is in the poem. So in this poem, the poet is dreaming like I would love to eat the ice cream, and the which kinds of ice cream the poet love to eat, that we will discuss in the poem. So I am going to read the poem, and that I will explain. I will have another ice cream, please, flavored with hot garlic cheese, with just a dash of chili sauce, all covered with strawberry gloss. The poet is dreaming here that I would like to eat an ice cream flavored with hot garlic cheese. Can you imagine? Can you eat the ice cream with garlic flavor? Garlic is too bitter to eat. But the poet is dreaming that I love to eat another ice cream and flavored with garlic and cheese. And just a splash, just a dash of chili sauce. Dash means a splish. Dash means a splish, and in the spreading on that flavored splash of chili sauce, I want chili sauce means it's too chili. All flavored with strawberry gloss. Gloss means shiny covering, and that ice cream covered shiny covering with strawberry I want. After that, the poet is dreaming, I'm just kidding. Do you think that I would dare to eat something pink? Oh no, I would rather stick with vanilla ice and omit the chili and the spice. After that, the poet is saying, oh no, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding means just joking. I'm just joking. I cannot eat this garlic cheese flavored ice cream. I would love to eat a vanilla ice cream, and when I am having vanilla ice cream, then I omit. Omit means leave the chili and spice from that. And then I will have a chocolate cone together with a hot baked scone, with a sprinkling of some rich dry fruits topped with pistachios of high repute. After that, the poet is dreaming, after eating the vanilla ice cream, I would love to have a chocolate corn. I would love to eat a chocolate corn, that's too yummy. And with that, I would love to have a hot baked scone. Scone means a type of cake. I want a type of cake with the chocolate corn. And which kind of cake? Sprinkling with some rich dry fruits topped with pistachios of high repute. Pistachios means fruit seed, and that cake with topped with topping जो होती है जैसे आप पिज़्ज़ा टॉपिंग करते हैं, सेम द पॉइंट इज ड्रीमिंग आई लव टू ईट द चॉकलेट कॉर्न, एंड विद दैट आई लव टू ईट हॉट बिग केक and sprinkling on dry fruits on that, and even topped with high repute means good quality of fruit seed topping on that. I want and I love to eat that kind of ice cream. And then perhaps an ice cream cake, the kind that mama loves to make. And after that, I love to eat an ice cream cake which my mama loves to make, and with fresh coconut underneath, topped with a lacy lemon wreath. And which kind of cake? With that cake which is underneath means the lower part क्या होगा? Coconut से fill होगा, and upper part wreath means जो ऊपर क्या sprinkle होगा? ring shape का क्या sprinkle करेंगे? Lacy lemon. Wow, it's too yummy. I love to eat that cake which my mama loves to bake me for this, like this. And what about a mango stick? A popsicle for me to lick, that bring happiness to my heart bought from the seaside lolly cart. So after that the poet is saying, what about that mango stick? Popsicle means an ice cream with a stick. और जो आपने देखा होगा आपके हाउस में भी समर्स में जो लॉली कार्ट मीन्स ऐसे लेकर आइसक्रीम वाले आते हैं आपके घर के पास, दैट विद देयर लॉली कार्ट, अपनी लॉली कार्ट को लेकर दे आर हैविंग द स्टिक आइसक्रीम विद so many flavors like mango flavor, vanilla flavor, orange flavor, and the poet is dreaming like, what about the mango stick ice cream? I love to eat. When I eat that, that brings happiness to my heart. And when I purchase that ice cream from the street side, from the lolly cart, and I'm just imagining all this was dipped in honey, laced with cream. Oh wow, I love the ice cream dream. This is how I love this ice cream dream. So my children, this is all about the poem of Ice Cream Dream. Don't forget, the name of the poet is Ron Mandrake, and today I will send you some in worksheet word meanings related to this poem so that you have to learn and enjoy the poem. Bye bye. Take care.